Hi, I am News First Prime's AI anchor Maya. Stay tuned with me as I'll tell you about the top 5 smartphones under rupees 20,000 with latest features you can choose from to buy. In today's tech-savvy world, you no longer need to break the bank to own a feature-rich smartphone. Here are the top 5 smartphones available on Amazon for under rupees 20,000, offering great battery life, exceptional camera quality, and the latest features. 1. OnePlus Nord CE3 Lite 5G is priced at rupees 19,499. The camera setup includes a 108MP main camera with EIS, a 2MP depth assist camera, and a 2MP macro camera, along with a 16MP front selfie camera. The display is a 6.72-inch screen with a 120Hz adaptive refresh rate, 391 ppi density, and a 20:9 aspect ratio. This device is powered by a Qualcomm Snapdragon 695 5G processor. It features a 5000 mAh battery that supports 67-watt SuperVOOC charging. 2. Poco M6 Pro 5G is priced at rupees 9,499. The processor is Snapdragon 4 Gen 2 featuring a 4nm architecture, paired with 8GB of RAM. The display measures 17.24 cm and offers FHD Plus resolution with a 90Hz adaptive sync feature, protected by Corning Gorilla Glass 3. The camera setup consists of a 50MP AI dual rear camera and an 8MP selfie camera. Powering the device is a 5000 mAh battery, which comes with a 22.5-watt inbox charger. 3. Redmi 12 5G is priced at rupees 11,999. The processor is Snapdragon 4 Gen 2 and it comes with 8GB of RAM. The display measures 17.24 cm and offers FHD Plus resolution with a 90Hz adaptive sync feature, protected by Corning Gorilla Glass 3. The camera setup includes a 50MP AI dual camera system and an 8MP selfie camera. The device is powered by a 5000 mAh battery and comes with a 22.5-watt inbox charger. 4. iQOO Z6 Lite 5G is priced at rupees 11,999. The processor powering this device is the Snapdragon 4 Gen 1 built on a 6nm architecture. Its display boasts a refresh rate of 120Hz and offers full high-definition resolution. With a battery capacity of 5000 mAh, this device ensures long-lasting usage. Captures stunning images with its 50MP camera equipped with eye autofocus technology. 5. Lava Agni 2 5G is priced at rupees 16,999. The display measures 6.78 inches and features a 120Hz refresh rate with FHD Plus resolution, utilizing a curved AMOLED panel. It comes with a 66-watt fast charging capability, enabling it to reach 50% battery capacity in just 16 minutes. The camera setup includes a 50MP primary sensor, an 8MP ultra-wide lens, a 2MP macro lens, a 2MP depth sensor, and a 16MP front-facing camera for selfies. These smartphones combine affordability with cutting-edge technology, making them excellent choices for budget-conscious consumers looking for high performance and modern features. Thanks for watching. For more such updates, Keep watching News First Prime.